So in this video, I'm just going to discuss the Refer a Friend scheme on Monzo and how you can get easy money just through online banking. Now, just in case you don't know what the Refer a Friend scheme is, it basically just means that Monzo will pay you real money for simply just getting friends to sign up for Monzo banking. And there's no catch at all. The only main requirement is they need to be successfully approved for a Monzo account and make at least one card payment with their new account within 30 days. And if your friend can successfully do that, both of you get paid at least £10 each. But before we dive into the main part of the video, I'll leave my own referral link in the description. So perhaps maybe if you don't have Monzo yet and you're just looking into the general Refer a Friend scheme yourself, you're more than welcome to use my link. And by using my link, you'll get paid at least £10 for simply just signing up to Monzo and making one card transaction within 30 days. So in order to refer a friend, so first things first is obviously you want to go on the main Monzo app here, and then you'll just want to click on this icon at the top here. And as you can see here, it says if you refer a friend, both of you will get paid up to £50 each. So obviously any friends you refer to Monzo will appear in this dashboard here, and you can also keep an eye on their progress. But anyway, just to dive into it in more detail, we'll just click on this icon here that says how it works. So obviously this just breaks it down a little bit more in what your friend has to do in order for both of you to get paid for your friend's referral. And once they've achieved all those steps, both of you could get paid up to £50. If we scroll down here, it just gives you a breakdown of all the referral rewards and what you can earn. So 94% of you will naturally earn £10 at least through the Refer a Friend scheme, but there is a chance you could earn more as well, as for 5% of customers could earn £20, and the lucky 1% could earn £50 each for simply just referring a friend to Monzo. The only thing I do need to mention is this may be subject to change from time to time. I'll leave the Refer a Friend scheme terms and conditions below, so please refer to that by the time you're watching this video. But to use your link, if we go back to the Refer a Friend dashboard, and to find your link, you'll just want to simply click on this button here. And then once you've done that, you should simply be able to copy your link and be able to share it with whoever you want. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please do leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you want to use my own referral link, you're more than welcome to copy it from the description. And if you sign up again, you should be paid at least £10 for simply signing up to Monzo. But any questions, feel free to comment. And thanks again for watching.